How to apply for a homestead exemption in Florida. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. This can save you anywhere from $750 to $2,000 or more on your property taxes every year. So let's get started. To qualify, you must be Florida resident as of January 1st on your own home and make it your permanent residence. You will also need a valid Florida ID, social security number, and proof of residency like a vehicle registration or utility bill. Remember the deadline: you need to apply by March 1st of the year you want the exemption to take effect. If March 1st falls on a weekend, the deadline is extended to the next business day. For example, March 1, 2025 is a Saturday, so the deadline will be March 3, 2025. Before applying, make sure you have a Florida driver's license or state ID, social security number for all property owners, proof of residency like a vehicle registration or utility bill. If you are not a US citizen, your LN registration card. There are 3 ways to apply online. Visit one of the 5 service centers person, print and mail the application form. To apply online, visit your county property appraiser website and look for the e-file option. Fill out personal details, including your social security number and proof of residency, then submit your application. If you visit a service center, staff will help you complete the form. If approved, your examination will automatically renew each year unless your home ownership status changes. You will receive a pink and white renewal card in December confirming your exemption. If you move, get married, divorce, or inherit property, make sure to notify the property appraiser. That's it.